Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discuss with you DanceBit Workout App Weight Loss Fitness Review. So you might be wondering, what is DanceBit here, or the workout app here that you may be hearing online? So DanceBit is a fitness and weight loss app that uses dance-based workouts to help users stay active at home. According to the official website here, the app offers personalized workout plans, short dance routines, and strength exercises, stretching sessions, and progress tracking. It is designed for beginners as well as users with previous fitness experience and is available for Android and iOS devices. According to the developer here, DanceBit works by creating personalized fitness program based on your goals, fitness level, age, and other information provided during the setup process. The app then recommends daily dance workouts and complementary exercises while tracking your activity and progress over time. It also includes reminders to help users stay consistent with their workout routine. To use DanceBit here, you just need to download the app, create an account, and complete the initial fitness questionnaire. The app will generate personalized workout plan based on your answers, follow the guided dance sessions, and exercises each day. Record your completed workouts and monitor your progress through the app. The workout intensity and recommendations may adjust as you continue using the program. Now, the official website states that DanceBit here includes features such as personalized workout plans, cardio sessions, strength flexibility exercises, progress tracking, and daily fitness challenges. Now, the app is offered through a subscriptions with pricing depending on the selected plan and promotional offers available at the time of purchase. And that's essentially how DanceBit works and what it is. So, if you're interested with this app here or in subscribing to their platform, doing your own research by checking reviews and information from sources outside the official website is recommended, just to see what people are actually saying or basically their comments regarding the platform, just to make sure that you're getting the most out of your money. But this applies for anything that you're trying online. But that's about it. If you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.